Nutribullet, NBF 50500 blender, powerhouse performance in a compact package. The Nutribullet NBF 50500 blender is a compact yet powerful kitchen appliance that has quickly become a staple for health-conscious individuals and culinary enthusiasts alike. As someone who appreciates efficiency and quality in kitchen gadgets, I was eager to put this blender to the test. First and foremost, the design of the Nutribullet NBF 50500 is sleek and modern, making it a stylish addition to any kitchen countertop. Its compact size is ideal for those with limited space, yet it doesn't compromise on power. With a 1,200-watt motor, this blender effortlessly pulverizes fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds into silky smooth concoctions. One of the standout features of the Nutribullet NBF 50500 is its versatility. Whether you're whipping up a morning smoothie, creating homemade nut butter, or even grinding coffee beans, this blender tackles a wide range of tasks with ease. I particularly appreciated the included recipe book, which provided inspiration for exploring new culinary horizons. In terms of performance, the Nutribullet NBF 50500 exceeded my expectations. Its patented blade design creates a vortex that thoroughly blends ingredients in seconds, resulting in consistently smooth textures. Plus, cleanup is a breeze thanks to the dishwasher-safe components. While the Nutribullet NBF 50500 excels in many areas, it's worth noting that it operates at a relatively high noise level, which may be a concern for some users, especially in smaller living spaces. In conclusion, the Nutribullet NBF 50500 blender offers powerhouse performance in a compact package. Its impressive capabilities, versatility, and user-friendly design make it a standout choice for anyone looking to elevate their culinary creations. Whether you're a smoothie aficionado, a meal prep enthusiast, or simply seeking a reliable blender for everyday use, the Nutribullet NBF 50500 is sure to impress. Highly recommended.